In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix site transitions in Wix using animations. Fixing site transitions can really enhance your website's user experience and leave a lasting impact on visitors, making your site not only look more professional, but also function smoothly. The first step is to go to the Wix website editor. You'll want to open up your Wix account and locate the specific website you're working on. Enter the site's edit mode by clicking on Edit Site. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it in a while. It's a robust tool that lets you control every aspect of your site. Once you're in the Wix editor, the next step is to click on Site Design, which you can find on the left side of your dashboard. This panel is essentially your toolkit for adjusting everything from colors and text styles to, of course, transitions. Clicking here brings you one step closer to customizing your website just the way you like it. Now you should see an option within the site design menu that says Page Transitions. By selecting this, Wix lets you manage the animations that occur when navigating from one page to another. This is where you have the opportunity to make your site feel more dynamic and interactive. So go ahead and click on Page Transitions. After you've opened the Page Transitions panel, you're in the driver's seat to decide which transitions work best for your site. Wix offers several pre-designed transition effects to choose from, such as fade, slide, or even a folding effect. Take the time to preview how each might appear on your site. It's worth experimenting with a few to find one that aligns with your site's style and tone. Remember, the right transition can enhance the overall smoothness of navigation, contributing to a more pleasant user experience for your visitors. Finally, once you've chosen the transition that suits your website, be sure to save your changes. You don't want your hard work to vanish if your browser suddenly decides to take a nap. Simply hit the publish button, which ensures your updates are live on your site. So that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you not only make your site more visually appealing, but also improve the overall browsing experience for anyone visiting. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to explore more of the features Wix has to offer to keep your website looking fresh and engaging. Happy editing!